Iba't ibang kwento ang matutunghayan sa ito ang Confessions. Mga kwento mo, babasahin ko. Have you ever noticed how life is full of unpredictable seasons? Do you remember a time when you started your journey shining so bright, feeling like you held the world in the palm of your hands? But what exactly happens when that applause fades and the world suddenly feels cold and unfamiliar? Have you ever felt like you are speaking out loud, but no one is truly listening? Can you imagine the heavy burdens our sender has carried since his very own childhood? How does it feel to navigate a deeply personal journey of feeling disconnected from the rest of the world simply for being yourself? Isn't it entirely exhausting to give your absolute all in your passions, your pursuits, and your love, only to feel like you are constantly falling short and being misunderstood by the people around you? Could this letter actually be a quiet plea for genuine collection? Do we not all share that deep yearning to find a place where we belong, outside people who will accept us without any judgment? Doesn't everyone just hope to find someone whose arms they can safely cry in? Smileys and fellow gamers, this is a confession of an anonymous letter sender. Dear LTG, ever since I was a kid, I felt like I achieved everything. I got a gold medal for the first grade recognition because I was good at anything. That was first grade. I continued to make friends throughout elementary. But everything went down when I started to get bullied. I'm starting to see flaws in myself. But I still have yet to understand why. Why am I getting made fun of? Every academic year that passes, there's always at least one person here laughing at my flaws, making me feel like I belong to nowhere. I spoke alone. I kept imagining things that I have interest for. I imagined myself being in a documentary or a stream commentating things around me. Those are the things that I kept getting made fun of. But those aren't the major things that I keep getting made fun of. It's mostly that I am vulnerable. That I would believe anything. Every time they gaslit me into thinking I made something wrong, I believe it anyway. I kept crying. I even have one of the worst bullies who even kept swearing at me like I did something wrong. I don't even know where he is now. As I get older, I feel my interests are straying away from the mainstream. I am more interested in Sonic the Hedgehog than Mobile Legends. I am listening to more obscure music more than mainstream. I felt disconnected from the rest simply for being myself. I've been hiding my interests ever since. Hiding Sonic games and my unusual humor, like Reddit humor, from everyone. But sometimes, I low-key embraced it, making me cringed out. As soon as I went into high school, I started to develop some crushes. One girl hated me initially, but is giving mixed signals. And then another girl rejected me because of a boyfriend, and she's not into it. But one girl gave me the most faith. I confessed to her, and she said she appreciated it. We've talked for months and so, but as days pass, the spark is lost. I blame myself for trying to beg for attention, for being paranoid that she is rarely messaging. But I suddenly discovered that she's texting everyone behind my back, despite assurances that I'm the only one she is interested in. I kept getting lied to. I tried giving her so many chances. As days pass, the girl started asking me rather for help. I don't want to disclose what kind of help she gives. I don't want to put her name to shame, but I just want to vent everything out either. They gave her help because I love her, and I don't want to put her in such a dire direction. But one day, I discovered that she has someone else. Through my mom, who discovered her secret account. My world shattered. I felt being lied for so long. I lost my hope in love. That seeking one feels exhausting. Now I'm just here, pursuing my college. Everything is exhausting and discouraging. I failed some subjects due to being worse at making electronics projects at school. I play badly at everything. In video games, in running, in everything else. It feels exhausting to fail at everything tried to do. Today I learned that there are people who like me, having several rejections, having such obscure traits. For those who are just speaking to themselves, those who have the same traits as me. I felt that I was not alone. That there are others who are such in situations others people don't understand. I just wanted to have friends who understand me. I just wanted to have people who at least support me for who I am, as long as I don't hurt anyone. I just wanted to be heard. I am now a part of the Smile family. I admit, sometimes I don't feel like I belong since I barely interact. But I realize that if I push hard, maybe there will be something. But on Smile, pushing just a little just worked. At least I felt in a family now. But my public online presence is just a different story. But I don't want to just push hard and all turn into nothing. I push hard into streaming, but I got little to no views. I push hard into my channel, but I fell off. Seeing my channel's content get ignored by the public despite everything I did feels exhausting. How can I push further if I did what I could? I hope one day I will be heard. I just hope so. I hope my situation is heard. I hope that I could cry in someone's arms and be hugged. I hope that I have someone that I could side with on. But I always feel alone. I just don't know how to choose words at this point. But that's all I just wanted to say. I just hope one day I don't feel alone again. This is Anonymous, and this is my confession. Mga kalabaw, fellow gamer, ay mga kalabaw, mga smileys, fellow gamers. Nasasanay po ako, papasensyahan nyo na. Smileys and fellow gamers, you just heard the confession of an anonymous letter sender. And not gonna lie, I just wanna say this. Patay mo na rin yung background music because medyo naka-off. Hinaalan natin ng konti. Yan. Okay. I just wanna say this. We all have rejections in life. We all have like backstabbing, manipulating, gaslighting, and even physically or mentally draining experiences when it comes to relationship and when it comes to sino ba, like I don't know what would I say because not gonna lie, wala pa ako relationship at the moment, but I have a date pero currently my date is yung nakadate ko is just boom, it's just failed talaga. Yeah, sadly yun yung nangyari, pero well, sabi nga 'di ba sa sa isang commercial, tomorrow is just another day. Malay mo hindi ngayon yung talagang nakatakda para sa'yo. Malay mo na bukas o sa susunod na panahon yung nakatakdang relationship for yourself to be complete, or yung mga sabi nga earlier, yung mga streams mo is just not working out. Ang pinakamatinding problema lang talaga is I know that streaming is now a saturated landscape na even I can attest to that, because not gonna lie, I am also struggling with like with still streaming at ito pa mas palala. I've been streaming for almost 10 years. And wala yung sa tingin ko yung peak LTG. Yung peak LTG talaga na sobrang daming viewers. Wala pa ako nare-receive na ganon. But eto lang yun. I just love what I do. I just love what I am crafting for you guys. I just love TFGP. I just love itong confessions. I just love what am I going to produce. Ika nga. And I bahala na yung tadhana. Bahala na yung tadhana na bigla na lang akong sumika, bigla na lang akong magkaroon ng napakadaming viewer, bigla na lang ganon na talagang ibang-iba yung magiging hindi na itong confessions, hindi na TFGP, baka literal na mga shows na talaga ng talaga mga actual shows na pinoproduce na talaga when it comes to diba? Ito lang, libre lang mangarap. Again, libre lang mangarap, pero ngayon kung sa tingin niyo talaga na aayaw ka na at aayaw ka na, susuko ka na, tingnan mo naman ako. Sumuko ba ako? Sumuko ba ako on the past 10 years of my life? Streaming. Sumuko ba ako na a lot of my friends, a lot of my VTubers are having much more viewers than me? Diba? Sumuko ba ako? Hindi. And eto lang yun. Again, hindi mo mapiplease ang viewers mo. Hindi mo mapiplease lahat ng mga viewers mo when it comes to having that such sort of viewership talaga, kasi nagiging saturated na talaga ang nagiging landscape ngayon, lalo na sa VTubing. Ito na lang masasabi ko. Kung hindi ka nagwo-work sa streaming, make a unique version of that stream na dapat hindi makopya ng iba, ganun. Kasi that is what I did when I getting started on streaming, ika nga. That is what I did, na ang hirap lang na ganon, ang hirap lang na ganoon yung nagiging landscape, ika nga, ng streaming, na yung mga tawag dito, yung mga mga controversial pa yung mga inaangat, 'di ba? Yung mga cloud chasing yung inaangat palalo. At tayo dito on just humbling na hindi ang sinasabi ko lang is just don't exploit your viewers, don't exploit every single thing. Is dito pa rin nasa ika ngay limelight. Nasa limelight pa rin ng At ito streaming tips. O nga pala, dahil naano mo rin streaming, nausap niyo yung streaming. Okay. Streaming tips ko lang sa'yo. Kung sino ka man na nakikinig ngayon sa IAC. Just be yourself. Just have a paano ba yun? Just have a consistent schedule, ika nga. Kung consistent, lalo na kung consistent ka dito sa Smile, dapat consistent ka dito sa streaming mo. Kasi, at saka ngayon, mas lalong inaangat yung TikTok eh. mas lalong inaangat yung TikTok ngayon, mas lalong inaangat yung mga short form, hindi talaga, ang tawag ko dito, ang tawag ko dyan sa mga TikTok, TikTok, paano ba yan? Basta TikTok something na, content is micro shorts. Kasi yun naman talaga tawag doon. Micro shorts talaga. So, just make some micro shorts content. Yeah, just make some micro shorts content. Just do a lot of TikTok stuff kasi yun talaga yung umaangat talaga ngayon sa lalo-lalo na kung 'di ba? Lalo-lalo na kung sa Smile, 'di ba? If you parang sabihin na natin ang dami mong clip sa ang dami mong clip ng micro shorts or short form content, mas maganda 'yon dahil when I saw kasi 'di ba before I am a an employee of a media network na hindi ko i-disclose dito sa IAC. Yun yung Hindi, wala na ako NDA. Eto, ang gagawin ko lang is basically, pwede na. Spill the tea, bawal. Anyways, ang sa akin lang, mamaya. Ang sa akin lang ay, again, if you want to make yourself stand out, you need to create a unique content na hindi pa nakikita ng mga madami tao. And if you want to stand out more, eto ba mas malala? If you want to stand out more, ba't tinutugtugan ko? Wait na. Tugtugan ko biglang nag-mellow bigla. Wait na dali lang. Ayan. Again, if you want to stand out on yourself, na kasi sabi nga 'di ba, quote unquote influencers, you need to influence much better, 'di ba? What happened in Lance, for example, na sobrang sikat ngayon, just basically do whatever you do, like for example yung mga influencer ngayon, 'di ba? For example, Ninong Rai, 'di ba? For example, Ninong Rai, a lot of things that are sikat ngayon. Eto lang, wag lang kayong mag-mention ng alam niyo na 'yon. Wag lang kayong maging sell out. Okay na 'yon. Just basically just stand with your principles. Ika nga. Just stand with your principles and just stand with your ground. And yun lang yung masasabi ko at the moment, pero mamaya kung may gustong magsabi sa Discord, pwede naman after this. Again, kung gusto niyo malaman yung nangyari kanina, kung ngayon pa lang kayo nakapag tune in ng inyong radyo, television or anything na TikTok or something. Ang storya po ng ating anonymous confession ngayon ay basically rejections, and nga pala nawala yung OSB. Ba't wala yung OSB? Yan, rejections and ika nga'y pagkakawatak-watak ng mga parang nakita pagkakaibigan yata, ika nga pagkakaibigan na nakita ko, or pagkakaibigan. I don't pero also ito din si Anonymous Confession sender ay nagsa-struggle din daw sa kanyang life, lalo na daw sa streaming life niya. And again, kung gusto niyo pong magsalita, ngayon po pwede po kayong magsalita if you want to have some violent reactions, if you want some reactions on ika nga'y Anonymous Confession. Sino magsasalita? Sino magsasalita for that? Wala. Wala? Wala talaga, wala. I already cited with I already did some ika nga'y advices on my side of what I've learned on that confession. Ika nga'y ganun din yung nangyayari sa akin eh. I'm not gonna lie. Again, sa mga gustong magsalita about tungkol sa confession ng ating anonymous letter sender, sa mga nandito sa Smile Radio BC, pwede rin kayo mag-unmute. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-unmute. If you want to have some violent reactions about what happened on that anonymous letter sender. Not gonna lie. Parang wala yata naka-defen yata, naka-mute yata tong mga to. Anyways, balik na tayo sa IEC. Balik na tayo sa ating host thingy. Again, final thoughts. Okay, final thoughts about what have been witnessed in your confession. Alam kong masakit mawalan ng ika nga'y iniirog. Hindi physically but emotionally. Dahil ika nga'y break up daw kayo, quote unquote. And again, sadly, yung quote unquote allegations of cheating, hindi talaga may iwasan yan. Or kasi hindi naman talaga allegations ngayon yan dahil talaga nangyari talaga yon. Sadly, sa sa kung ano yung nangyari sa kanya talaga at all. And wala tayong magagawa sa totoo lang. Wala tayong magagawa doon dahil it is now done. It is now sabihin na natin, it is now that time na alam mo sa sarili mo na kailangan mo na siyang iwanan. And yun din ang nangyari sa akin before. And nangyari din sa akin ngayon na I know that quote-unquote sabi daw kasi sa akin hindi daw kami compatible. Diba? Hindi daw kami compatible ng kadate ko before. Pero ang lesson learned naman for that scenario is just to be contented. ika nga, to be contented and to be what you want to be as a content creator, as a streamer, or paano ba sabihin, as anything that happened in the personal life of things. Kasi ang hirap lang na oo, nagiging ganito ka, pero kung hanggang ngayon naglulugmok ka pa din, parang iba na yata yan. Kung talagang gusto mo, kung talagang mahal mo talaga yung girl na yon, mamahalin ka palalo if bigla mo na lang talaga siyang iwanan or talagang make this as a friend. Ika nga, just be friends. Kasi sa totoo lang, mahirap magkaroon ng lovers these days. Sa totoo lang, sobrang hirap magkaroon ng iniirog ngayon dahil ang dami nilang iniisip. For example, gusto na lang mas stable muna yung future life. Gusto nilang magkaroon ng magandang paano ko ba, ano yun? Magandang for example, nakapag-ipon, ganon. Nakapag-ipon, like yung stable yon, stable life. And hindi natin masisisi kung talagang ganun yung mindset nila, because sa totoo lang, a lot of things that have been paano ko ba sabihin yan? A lot of things that have been discussed earlier is just that thing na wala na talaga. Like, hindi na talaga, wala na talaga second chance or something. Yan ang pinaka-problem din sa relationship. Because when you go on to a relationship, you need a really bad commitment. Na talagang kailangan mo talaga i-commit yung buong time, yung buong pagkatao mo, or buong basta lahat. Kasi not gonna lie, ganun din yung ginawa ko sa kanya when I start dating. Pero ang problema nga lang sa ganon, pero ang problema lang sa ganon, oh no, nawawala yung nagda-drop frames tayo. Anyways, nagda-drop frames tayo na Leila. Anyways, kung ganon yung nangyayari sa relationship ninyo, na syempre you need to ba na yan, dating tayo game, oh my god. Anyways, again, just make your relationship flourish. Kasi talaga, not gonna lie, mauubos lang yung time mo. Kasi talagang kung hindi ka talaga niya mahal, you're just wasting time. Diba? You're just wasting time and effort na bakit ganun yung, 'di ba? Bakit siya ganun? O bakit siya kasi yun yung talagang may isip mo na magiging ganyan ka na lang talaga. Sadly, that is the reality of things. And I hope na kung sino man yan talaga nasa anonymous confession ko at the moment. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sinabi mo, kasi that was also nakaka-relate ako sa mga ganyan talaga, kasi ganyan din talaga ako. I'm an introvert, pero again, wala akong ganyang mga relationship stuff. Ang sa akin lang, I just want to entertain people. I just want to make someone people happy. And I think hanggang doon na lang talaga. Again, that anonymous confession, maraming salamat po kung sino ka man sa pagbahagi ng inyong kwento na binasa ko kanina. And that will be ito ang confession for today. Again, after nito, may mahalagang anunsyo daw po ang Smile Network Philippines, dahil medyo malaki yung announcement daw nila earlier, 'di ba? Announcement nila earlier. Again, ayan po ang isang anonymous letter ayan po ang kwento ng isang anonymous letter sender para sa gabing ito. Muli, paalala lang po na bukas pa rin ang ating itong confessions form. Para sa inyong mga kwento, bisitahin lamang po ang ltg.network/confessions at mag-email lang po sa confessions@ltg.network. Again, mas mahaba, mas maganda. Sa ngalan po ng Smile Network at LTG Network Philippines, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa itong confessions. Again, ang podcast ay available pa rin sa Spotify, Apple iTunes, Apple Podcast, and anything basically, podcast service of your choice. Ito Confessions team is already it's already out, so you can actually stream that. Again, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok dito sa Ito ang Confessions. Sa ngalan po ng Smile Network at LTG Network Philippines, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa Ito ang Confessions. Ako pa rin po ang inyong generic gaming VTuber na si Larotay Gaming. Nagpapaalalang ang inyong kwento ay sumasalamin sa bawat buhay mo. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Ito ang Confessions. Mga kwento mo, babasahin ko. Ito ang Confessions. This is the LPG Podcast Network.